This video is to show task number 13, part B. In task number 13, part B, it asks us to investigate whether a plane and a point not on that plane define three space. And again, the definition of three space is that you're able to construct four non-coplanar points in order to create that. So what I have done is, again, I'm in the same image that I've been using for the last couple of tasks. We are back in a cube. A cube is very useful in showing three-dimensionality, and I have highlighted one of the faces of my cube and also identified point E1, which is going to be the point that is not on the plane. So my plane that I am referring to is the orange face that is one of the planes that makes up my cube. What I want to show is that this plane plus this point allow me to get multiple planes, which will then show me all the depth, the width, and the length that I need, and the height. So I'm looking for the three dimensions to show up. So if I just look at the relationship between this orange plane and point E, I can see that point E technically can belong to two other planes. Point E can belong to this plane right here that is the adjacent face of the orange. And then point E can also belong to the parallel plane that is behind the orange face that we were just looking at. And what that stands for is that because of that formation, we can say then that we are able to see height, length, and depth because we are able to get two other planes to exist based on our information with just this one plane and E. So this is pretty versatile, and again, it wouldn't be able to be shown on a cube if it wasn't a definition of three space. So the fact that we're able to use this cube again and again and again is showing a very simple visualization that three space can be formed many different ways. And again, it's about four non-coplanar points. We could have taken any 3 points off of this orange face, and then that last point would have been the fourth non-coplanar point. And again, that point does belong to two other planes, which means that we could have grabbed other points from those existing planes. So we have a lot of possibilities here. In the end, though, it doesn't matter what possibility we take, it is going to be the definition of three space.